And former Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has been temporarily relieved by the Karnataka High Court in the POCSO case. Remember, he was issued a non-bailable warrant from a fast-track court yesterday, but now the High Court has issued an order not to take any coercive action until the next hearing, for which he must appear. And this case involves a minor girl who was a victim of an alleged sexual assault and had visited Yediyurappa, and the allegation is that he took her to a room and harassed her. That is what the family says. But let's go across to Radhika now for more. And Radhika, a big relief for Yediyurappa, temporary though it may be, but for the moment no action can be taken against the former chief minister.
That's right. For the moment, no action against former Chief Minister of Karnataka. In fact, a temporary relief for him. The court asking the police to wait, as he's already guaranteed that he will appear before the police on June 17. So therefore, no coercive action against him till June 17. So there is some sort of relief for B.S. Yediyurappa. In fact, the court are seeking details of the notices issued to B.S. Yediyurappa in the past by the police, the details of which was given. So therefore, a court observing that, Yediyurappa had complied with the first notice. He had appeared before the police as far as questioning goes. And as far as the second notice is concerned, he has given a date. So what is the hurry for the police to go ahead and arrest him? Of course, yesterday, a non-bailable warrant was issued against Yediyurappa by a special court. This is, of course, in connection with the alleged sexual assault case against B.S. Yediyurappa. He is an accused. So multiple notices had been issued, but it was also complied with, is what the court has observed. So therefore, if he has given a date of June 17, then one must wait till then, is what the court has said. Some more observations by the court saying that last time when you issued notice, he very scrupulously came. Why arrest a chief minister, former chief minister? Is he running away? If a former chief minister is treated like this, then what must be happening to a layman? A holistic view is to be taken. If he was an unscrupulous person, he would not have appeared before IO on issuance of first notice. Of course, the AG, they're also pointing that the circumstances had changed, and they also got to know that Yediyurappa had booked tickets to Delhi as soon as the second notice was issued, which was forced them to sort of go ahead and perhaps arrest him sometime soon, also because MBW was also issued. But the court asking the cops to wait. So some sort of relief for Yediyurappa, no arrest till June 17. On June 17th is when he is expected to appear before the police in connection with the alleged sexual assault case.